That's it. Joseph, you did everything right except stop. Just stop. That's the only thing you did wrong. You went 1, 2, 3, and you stepped back instead of going to the side. That's it. Yep. Okay, here we go. Spin out. It's a half spin when you get caught on the ropes. Spin out. That's it right there. Good, good, good. Get your jab going. That's it. Step out to the side. There you go. Jab, jab. Step, okay. That's better movement, Joe. Much better. Okay, step out, okay. That's it. That's why you want to step out, Joe. Did you see that? Good. Lighten up, lighten up.